I don't know.
Hey, you two. I like calling my Hey, wait. Hi, everybody. If you have internet up in heaven, I miss you. This is YouTube, not heaven, right? And I don't care. Hey.
Hi, Cassie. I really miss you.
This is I miss you, Cassie.
Why is that funny to you?
Bye. Okay. Yeah. I'm Cassie.
What the frick? Do you have anything to say, Connor?
Call me 8639. No. That was my number. 95877833614.
No, it's
780-627.
You're pointing to my
920.
Other people are gonna be watching this.
No.
They'll be calling you,
No,
man. They'll be calling you.
ignore those numbers. 780-863-9077. There, call me.
Yeah, so any of you creepers out there, she wants to get it on.
Okay, my area code is 587 and my number is 783-3614. Yeah, that's my number. So, yeah, call me. Yeah, or text me. Yeah. Text me. 780-318.
It'd be like cute little boys, definitely your man. Anyways, remember to subscribe and comment and rate this video.
My number is, because she's that cool, you just have to add 318-1756. You have to subscribe. 318-1756. 318-1756.
Yo. Okay, well that's a wrap. See ya.